Chevrolet C10. Stepside short box, pick up a unique, especially in classics. Error correct, 230, inline 6 underneath the hood. Also power steering, power brakes, automatic transmission. Now, as you can see, it's finished in primer. We have had this truck out running, driving. You'll see the driving video of it at the end here. But before I was going to take it on a long distance or any sort of trips, you might want to give it the once over. And again, you can see primer, so it's kind of like a running driving project, I guess, if you will. Check out the still pictures. Be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Looks like newer radial tires and, of course, a newer Chevrolet wheel. It's been installed on it. We do have some bubbling down here before we can see prior work. Also smoked side glass and I believe rear window. So know your local and state laws as far as the percentage of tint that you can have. Make you aware of that. Somebody has done some work in the bed here. As you can see, new wood has been installed and actually looks pretty nice. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And once again, take your time looking through the still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. So we take a look down the driver's side here. We'll start it up, let you hear it run. Looks like it has a newer carb on it, newer exhaust. Again, take a look at the still pictures at the underside. Interior. There's some cracking in the vinyl here, obviously. There was a kind of a blanket that was over the seat. I'll put back into. I want to take that out so you can see the actual condition of the seat. Be able to see that in the still pictures too. One of those, putz around with it, drive it the way it is. Or if you want to take it to the next level, there's some TLC. Either way. Also notice the oil light stayed on. You can see that in the driving video also. Engine doesn't seem to make any noises. There's oil in it. That was a bad sending unit, bad light. Something's tripping it. Take a look at the dash. Rest the inside of the cab. Slip around to the back so you hear this run. Pretty quiet. Again, error correct. Inline 230. 6-cylinder. Automatic trans. Pretty nicely equipped. Power steering, power brakes. I'm going to pause this a second. Let's get the hood open. Speaking of hood, you can see there's a little bit of texture to that primer on there, so we'll take a little TLC. All right, let's get this hood open. All right, hood pop, there's the underside of it. Take a look at this engine bay. There you can see, looks like newer car. There has had some cardboard done to it. Power steering post. Power brake booster. There's a battery disconnect there also for in between drives or maybe also the storage. There's the heater hose is still hooked up. So 1965 Chevrolet C10 regular cab, step-side short box. That's what I'd kind of consider and what we're going to represent as a running driving project. Stick around, you'll be able to see what it's like going down the road in this little virtual drive. But to take to the next level, take a little TLC, And like I said, before you're going to take it on a long cruise, go over it. UniqueClassicCars.com, 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1965 Chevrolet C10 short box Stepside project truck. It is primered. The oil light is out on the dash, however, we don't have any valve train noise. The oil seems to be okay. We do not have turn signals. The stock does not turn them on. It's a good running truck. Smooth running, quiet. Steers good, brakes good, shifts good. Speedometer works. Fuel gauge is reading full. I can't guarantee that is working. The windshield wipers also work on this truck. There are no handles on the wing windows. There's a little bit of wind noise because of that, because you can't latch them. That is a repairable. Feels like a solid truck. Mostly warning lights. We don't really have any other gauges. Radio has been deleted. If I let go of the steering wheel while we're going down the road here, it stays pretty straight. There's a little bit of play in the steering, but it stays straight in the lane. Factory looking bench seat in this truck. It's an automatic on the column, so it is easy to drive. This truck is almost just fine and runnable as it is, but great project truck. You could throw whatever engine you wanted in here, paint it however you wanted. Really nice running 1965 short box Stepside C10.